video we will see how to scan with Adobe Scan. So open the Google Play Store, search for Adobe Scan. Now the first tab, Adobe Scan PDF Scanner, appears to you. Click on the icon and press install. Now the app is being downloaded and installed. Now the app is installed. You can open it from here or it will appear on your home screen. You can open it from there too. Click on the app icon to open. Now the app is opening. So once the app is opened, it will ask you to sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple ID. So I prefer to sign in with Google, as it will store all your scans to Adobe Cloud and you can access it from anywhere, from any phone you sign in. Now choose an account. It will show all the accounts available on your device. You can choose one to continue to Adobe Scan. I'm choosing my account. Nakshatra Joshi. Click on it. After clicking, you will see a pop-out comes and it will say welcome to Adobe. It will ask you your country and some basic questions like date of birth. So you need to put your date of birth, like mine is November 14, 2004. So I am setting it. Then click on done. You can read the terms of use. Now your app is ready to use. Click on let's go. Now you need to allow Adobe Scan to take pictures so that it can scan using your camera. Show the document you want to scan. Like I am scanning my copy, so I am showing it, and the dots will detect the edges, and after your scan is set, you can click on the capture button. You can retake again or continue by adjusting the borders of the pages. If you want to scan another page, you can scan it too. Just show the page and click on the capture button and adjust the borders. You can retake or continue. Now click on the pictures there on the bottom right. Where 2 is written, so it will show the document to you. You can rename the document from there where it is written Adobe Scan 1 September 2020, like I am putting mathematics solved or questions solved. Click on OK. See your pages. If you want to adjust your pages, you can do it from crop. Then you can save the PDF. Click on save PDF at the top right, and now the PDF is saved. See the PDF, and it is uploaded to Document Cloud. So that you can access it from anywhere. Now click on share button to share and click on share a copy. So it will produce a copy of the PDF which is saved and it will be shared to the respective destination. You can share it on WhatsApp, but we need to share the documents to Google Classroom, so I will tell how to share on Classroom. Click on Classroom. You can attach it to an assignment or have a new post. As the assignment is given, first I will switch to the class, then we will attach it to assignment, and the assignment is chapter and test of quadratic equation. So once you click there, the file will be uploaded or will start uploading to Google Classroom. So let the buffering stop, then the file will be uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, you can slide from down where it is written your work, and you can see here the mathematics question solved is there in the PDF form. Now you can add more attachments or click on hand in once your all attachments are over. Thank you for watching the video.